In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the background in Moosend emails. A well-chosen background can make your email look polished and on-brand, and Moosend makes it straightforward to set one up. Start by signing into your account and heading to Campaigns. Open the campaign you want to edit, or create a new one if you're starting fresh. Once you're in the email editor, look to the left sidebar and open the Settings tab. This is where most global design options live for your template. In the General Settings section, you'll see two key controls: background color and add background image. If you want a simple, reliable look, choose a background color. Click the color selector and pick a shade that complements your content, or enter a precise hex or RGB value if you have brand colors. Aim for strong contrast with your text so the email stays readable. And remember that lighter backgrounds with dark text are the safest for accessibility. If your brand uses dark backgrounds, increase font size and line spacing to keep the copy crisp. If you prefer a background image, click Add Background Image and select or upload the file you want. Use a high-quality but optimized image so it looks good without slowing down loading times. Avoid images with essential text baked in, since some email clients block images by default. It's a good idea to set a background color as a visual fallback so your email still looks cohesive if the image doesn't load. Also, keep in mind that certain email clients may limit background images in complex layouts, so choose an image with a simple pattern or subtle texture that still works if it's tiled or centered. Many templates are built with layout blocks or containers, and you can often set a background per layout or container. This is useful for creating sections with different colors or images, such as a hero area and a contrasting content area. If you do this, understand that container-level backgrounds can override the global background, so be consistent to avoid accidental clashes. Adjust padding to ensure your text doesn't sit too close to the edges. When you're happy with the look, save or update your campaign to keep the changes. Use the preview and send a test email to see how the background appears in your inbox, and check both desktop and mobile. If something doesn't look right, verify that you changed the background at the correct level and that the image file is accessible. That's it. With these steps, your Moosend emails will have a clean, on-brand